What's up YouTube, it's your boy CutzbyRod. In this video we're going to do a wavering taper. As you can see, I'm just going with that one open, just making sure my canvas even. And then next I'll be starting the ball guide line. I'm going to do it in a triangular motion, just so we can keep them C cups really defined. Ball them out real good, and then I'm going to define the C cups, and then I'm going to start on the fade. Alright, next I'm going to go in with that one guard. My lever is completely open, and as you can see, I'm just debulking. Since I used the one on top, I didn't really start with too much of a bigger guard. I used the same exact guard to debulk. You will see me go up to the 2 guard just to perfect, you know what I'm saying, the blend. Now I got that 2 guard on there. As you can see, I'm just debulking, just feathering it, slowly working that lever until I can get everything as neat as possible. Then after that 2 guard, I'm going to start working on my fading out that bottom line. As you can see, everything is intact now, it's going together as I'm just feathering and cornering, using the corner of my blade with that 2 guard. And then here I am with that 1.5, just cleaning up the detail that that 2 guard didn't get. As you can see, I'm still only using my corners. On tapers, you will find yourself using your corners a lot. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to spread it or make it you want to keep it as dark and confined as possible. As you can see, I haven't really messed with the vertical bar area. We're going to keep that dark. And you know what I'm saying, even if you are using enhancements, you still want to keep that area dark for when the enhancements do wear off. But as you can see, stay disciplined to your area and stay confined to that one spot. Be patient, and I promise you that fade will come out just how you want it. Alright, so next, here I am. I'm going to go in with my lever open on my wall cordless detailers, and as you can see, I'm just flicking at it. I'm making that line, that bottom line, very, very faint. And as you can see, most of my detailing up top is just about done, but not quite yet. So as you can see, I'm using my corners, just working my lever, doing lever play until I can fade out that bottom line. And hold on, not fade out, but more so blending. You don't want to fade any lines out because that'll make you have to chase the fade. So sorry about that. That is something I wanted to clear up. We're not fading anything out, we're blending everything in. And as you can see, I just went back with that 1.5, and look at how much more detail is opening up on that spread. And I kept this side in slow-mo so y'all can go back and replay it, you know, however many times y'all need to. This video will be here. And yeah, come back with that 1 guard, finish up my detailing. And as you can see, I'm just staying at the very bottom, staying disciplined so I can get maximum detail. That's all I'm doing, y'all. And on my journey, my year and some change of cutting, I've learned if you just stay disciplined and confined to whatever spot you want to be faded, you know what I'm saying, you can keep that fade dark. You don't have to push it up real high in order, you know what I'm saying, for it to fade or blend how you want it. You know what I'm saying, less is more, so just always keep that in mind. Less hair that you take off is more on the head, you know what I'm saying. And I did want to make a correction. This is not slow-mo. This is normal speed. And yeah, so. And then I'm just coming back right here with the half guard, just slowly detailing. I didn't have my masters at this time. I had to get a new blade. But yeah, so that's why I'm using the half guard. And then I just come back with my wall cordless seniors. That lever open, just flicking out, creating maximum detail at the bottom. And as you can see, that fade is done on that side. So I'm gonna come back to this side, touch it up a little bit, and then Alright guys, now we're on that back taper. As you can see, I started out my ball guideline, cleaning that neckline up. And now I come back with my lever open, just slowly notching. I don't want to take it up too high, because as you see, right under that parietal ridge, he has the bone separation, you know, so I don't want to take it too high and have to fade inside of that. So we're going to stay disciplined, we're going to keep that fade. We're going to stretch it, but we're going to keep it tight, you know what I'm saying? We ain't going to stretch it too far. So in that case, I'm going to debolt, you know what I'm saying? So I got the 1.5 on there, working that lever open to close, using that guard for everything is worth. Same thing with the one guard. As you can see, that hair is getting lighter. And as you notice, I am not, okay, look, you see I use my corners, but I'm not going back up there. What I use the 1.5 on, because all that'll do is recreate another guideline and basically start my fade over, and it won't be as dark like I need it. As you can see right here, I'm just slowly fading out that bottom line with the half guard. I know I can get it out with my lever open, but for the video purposes, I just want to show you guys that you can get it out with the half guard and then come back in detail even more with that lever open. Alright, so as you can see, that fade pretty much done. I did a little more cleanup work, but yeah. So now we're going to go back to start the lineup, use my holding spray all the way around. Blow dry it in, make sure you brush the hair down in the way that you want it to lay, being that you put that holding spray on there. That way them hairs don't run from you when you put them trimmers on it. And just watch how crispy this lineup come out. Remember guys, less is more. So as you can see, I'm just barely tapping. Starting out with the slim lines, and then I'm going to come back and redefine it with my GTX blade on my T-outliners. And then I'm going to use the Barber Magic pencil just to give it more of a pop. As you can see, look at that lineup. That's all natural, guys. You ain't got to use enhancements. And this is why I tell you guys to stay disciplined, for the fact that, you know what I'm saying, you don't need the enhancements. If you stay disciplined and confined to your area, that fade gonna come out. And I did this fade in 40 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's just, I really was done with it, but I took extra time to put that finishing touches on it, the detailing and everything. But as you can see, there's the Barber Magic pencil and everything on it. No enhancements. You see I'm brushing it. It's just crispy. On this side, he has some new growth, so I decided to keep it instead of pushing it back. As you can see, look how dark that is, so it will grow back in, you know. For the next time that I do cut him, everything will be flush. Won't have that issue. You know what I'm saying? I promise you guys, if you treat your clients like that and you keep their new growth on the edge up, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to tell them over the last barber push. You ain't got to tell them nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? You keep it and they going to notice, because when it grows back, everything going to be proportional. And, you know, inside of the eyebrows, not every client's hairline is inside of their eyebrows, but I'm just saying. See that straight razor just getting everything sharp, putting the end results on everything. As you can see guys, it's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smash that subscribe button guys. Please, please, please share this video with another friend, you know what I'm saying, another barber, someone who can learn something from this. You know what I'm saying, I got a giveaway coming out soon. Guys, stay tuned, and I appreciate the support. I got many more videos coming 2020 CutzbyRod takeover. Alright y'all, this is a sneak peek of the next video I'm going to be dropping. Today is Thursday, February 13th. You guys get this video to 200 views or February 18th, which is this upcoming Tuesday. Whichever one come first, you guys will be getting this video. Yeah, like a lot of gems in it, really nice content. And I know you guys gonna love it. I don't really have too many beard tutorials, you know what I'm saying? And this is the perfect canvas, and just the way that I really executed this cut, man. So I need you guys to share this video, like, you know what I'm saying? Tell a friend and tell a friend. Get this video to 200 views, and y'all guys will get this video. I promise.